Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to uninstall or remove phone link in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want uninstall or remove phone link in Windows 11 PC, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to go Windows PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell, right click on this, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to apply. Then here copy and paste one command. This command available on my video description. Copy and paste, then hit enter. Wait for some time. After that, close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this you uninstall or remove phone link in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.